Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us online on your iPhone. Among Us is a fantastic online multiplayer game where you work with or against other players. It's super easy to get started, as the game is available for free directly from the Apple App Store. You can join games with anywhere from 4 to 15 players, making it perfect for a small group of friends or a larger online lobby. Get ready to complete tasks or cleverly deceive your fellow crewmates. To begin your Among Us adventure, first open the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Use the search bar at the bottom to type in Among Us and find the official game. Once you locate it, simply tap the Get button to download and install it onto your device. The download is usually quick, taking only a few moments. After installation, find the Among Us icon on your home screen and tap it to launch the game. Once the game is open, you'll see the main menu. To play with others, select the online option. From there, you have a couple of choices. You can tap Find Game to jump into a public match with other players from around the world. If you have friends, they can give you a private code to join their specific game. Alternatively, you can choose Host Game to create your own lobby and invite others. During gameplay, if you are a crewmate, your goal is to complete all your tasks and figure out who the imposters are. Imposters, on the other hand, must sabotage the ship and eliminate crewmates without being caught. When an emergency meeting is called or a body is reported, use the in-game chat to discuss your suspicions or defend yourself. Clear and strategic communication is key to success, whether you are a loyal crewmate or a cunning imposter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.